Mamuntag mga best mga
I
bay.
wasn't ready.
Mamuntag sa inyo tanan. We are here at Dumaguete and karon padung na kami dito sa Mabinay, Negros Oriental. It is in the middle of the island, south a little bit. Basta Mabinay, dili siya tourist spot kayo, and there is a new falls called, I forgot.
I didn't even know where we were going.
Niludhan? I forgot. I'll put it right here. And we are going there kay Nindo Chatanawon, super astig. I don't know if this car will make it through the pathways, but it'll bring us to Mabinay. Yes, and then we'll figure it out from there. So let's go explore, baby. Woo!
I do whatever it takes to hold you, whatever it takes to you. Wanna be in this game for two.
So we're here in Mabinay. I'm not sure if this is part of Mabinay because we went through the city and now we're not the city, it's a little town. And now we're here in the mountains and we found the waterfall. It's just right next to the Kursada, but we are on the very top of the waterfall.
Yeah, and it's pretty big.
Yeah, it's a pretty massive waterfall, I think. So we're gonna ask the locals and see if we can get to the bottom somehow, if there's a path. So let's go find out. Hayo! Hello! Pwede mo agi dire sa ubos?
Oh. Ay, dili ka sa pikas?
Dito pikas? Asa rapid?
Dire diha magi.
Oo.
Nay kuan dira sa pikas.
May agyanan gyud. Kinis.
Alin yung sakyanan, nadala lang.
Dala lang, matuyok niya. Sige. Alright, so we're currently on top of the waterfall. Taas kayo ni siya. There's a little agyanan, there's a little pathway coming to this. Unya, mao ni siya ang waterfall. Taas kayo. Nindo siya tanawon, no? So pagkahuman diri sa babaw, mata kami dito sa pikas, matuyok daw ang sakyanan, diri daw ang agyanan sa ubos.
A wild person appeared. Nothing! So, he thinks it's smart to go from here to here to there. Good luck. What's the Tagalog word for stupid? Tanga. Tanga. I think. Yeah, whatever. If you think that's safe, I don't think it's very safe. And he's finished. Now he has to try and get back, and he said it's extremely slippery. Told you so. He looks like a crab. What are you doing? You look like a crab. You look like a crab.
It's so slippery.
Wow, it's not like I said that. Just think of all your gear. Good luck. Ah! He made it. Luckily, because that's the edge. He'll fall to his death. Woohoo! Yay! You made it!
Round two is always trying to make friends with the carabao. She keeps flicking water with her tail.
Goodbye.
You think he's meaning to do that?
Yes.
Really?
Goodbye. Wow, gotta go.
Sige, nakamor kami diri sa entrance sa Niludhan Falls. Di ba? Niludhan siya?
Niludhan Falls.
Niludhan?
Niludhan.
Niludhan Falls.
Yeah.
So, na entrance fee, 10 pesos lang. Barato kayo, astig tanawon. Astig ang falls, no? Ano yung pinaka-astig na falls?
Yeah.
Pinaka-astig sa tanan. Di ba?
Yes. I haven't seen it yet.
I've seen it because I Took off the drone. All right, we're gonna go down and ligo because it's very in it. So let's go.
Peanut! I gave you peanut!
Give me money daw. Nangayo sila money. Peanuts daw, ingon isoy.
Okay, kayo.
Woo!
I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. Crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do, to do.
Sige, so wala ko niyambag dito. Ingon nila bawal daw kay naay mga bato. Pero nindyot kayo sa ambakon siguro. Kung naay mauna, ako musabay pero hadlo ko karon kay basin mabali akong tiil, mabali akong liog. So dili ko madayon mo ambak pero astig sa tanawon, ligo-ligo. Photo shoot kami. Hi. Say goodbye to the crew. Sige mga dong, ayo-ayo. Hamping sa baklay. What do you rate the waterfall?
That was pretty awesome. Sorry, I'm catching my breath. I would say like,
You like this one or Casororo better?
I like that I can swim in this one. I mean, I could swim in Casarora as well, but like this is more leisurely. I like Casarora because it's like in the middle of the jungle and it's just like hits you out of nowhere and boom, waterfall. So that's pretty cool. I like Casarora more, but this one's pretty sick.
Yes. I'm a fan of the low-key spots that no one knows about. So all in all, I'd say Casororo is more gnarly, but this one's pretty freaking massive. So this one's pretty cool too.
Yeah.
I actually love this one. And if you can jump, then I think I like this one more just because I love jumping off waterfalls. But I'm not sure if you can jump. They told me not to. So maybe you can't. But we're going to check out another waterfall that's pretty close. I think they just newly discovered it. We'll see. We'll see if we can even find it. So, alright, so we're in the middle of a sugarcane field. And the map says to go this way, which is just a dirt road. So we're going to ask this nice lady with a cow and see if we can go this way.
Her cow has a very important job.
Excuse ma'am, pwede pangunta na. Naay busay dito rapit sa unahan?
Oh, that's Bugsok.
Oo, diretso lang dire.
Oh,
Diretso, padung ni siya sa falls. Busay?
oh, mga taon na rin ka kay na aman na cruising diha.
Sige, salamat.
Thank you. Damn.
What the heck was that cunt doing here?
Oh, her cow. It got upset. Bye-bye.
Hi!
Hello. Is there a waterfall? Three? Okay.
Straight?
Diretso. Okay.
Salamat!
Salamat.
Sige, so diri kami ninaok sa among kotse. And magpangutan na lang may asang busay diri dapit. This waterfall is called Bugsok, I believe. Sige, si Ma'am Joy magpangutan na sa tagiya sa aning balay kung asa ang busay.
Ayo.
Bisaya, dapat Bisaya. Pwede pangutan na
Asa? What?
ang may busay diri.
Asay ang may busay diri?
Unsa kalayo? Mga pila ka minutos ang baklay siguro? So, husgo oras or duo lang? Sige. Sige, salamat. Say, pwede pangutana?
Pwede pangutan? What?
Pangutana.
Pwede pangutana? Asa rapid ang waterfall?
Subayan lang.
Okay.
Pila ka minutos siguro ang baklay? 30 minutes? Layo? Dora. Salamat.
Thank you.
So I think they have beetle nuts here in this area.
The first thing is beetle nut. Is it beetle nut?
Yeah. Well,
Beetle juice. No, that's not right.
what's beetle nut in Bisaya? I forgot. We learned it in Tagalog, but I forgot that. Anyways, beetle nut.
Oh heck, there's a party.
Because a lot of people have their red teeth. There's a lot of red spit everywhere. So abi na ko ang beetle nut na lang dito sa Luzon, sa Banawe dapit, pero napo diri sa Negros. This view is super sick.
I like the purple tree.
Migo! Mayong hapon! Alright, I'm gonna show off to my girlfriend a little bit.
What?
An old provincial trick. It's filming.
Yeah, I'm moving. I can't see. Okay.
It's a little trick I learned back in the days when I lived in the sugarcane fields. Alright. It's called the slingshot.
Slingshot.
And I don't know if that's what it's called, but so you get a sugarcane leaf, you break this stem. Oh freak, may have just ruined it.
Why?
Alright, ready?
No. What are you doing?
I think I ruined it. Dang it. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
I don't really know what happened.
Yeah, it didn't work that well.
I didn't. The center came out.
Yeah, it's supposed to go.
Oh.
Ready?
Okay.
This one's definitely not gonna work. Oh!
Oh, that one. Yeah, cool.
It worked.
Sick.
Busay sa Bugsok?
Oh, bugsok.
Sir, ano nang nagkakanda o?
Ah, lapas me.
Nalapas mo.
Asa rapit.
Bumabalik mo to na tinapsan dia pa dulhog mo na o.
Ah, sa taas pa.
Oh, to pa dito paano ano ra mo atong unahan.
Dire wala bugsok.
Wala. Anong Bugsok Falls na dia?
Ah, musaka me.
What happened?
I think it was that crossing, I'm assuming.
Oh.
Alright, so we found the waterfall, but we are on the wrong side. Tanawa.
Oh.
Nice.
How do we get down there?
I don't know. Alright, well, let's send up the drone at least.
Yeah.
While it's lit. While it's lit. While it's light.
You're lit.
Shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever
What you doing?
Trying to snake some sugar cane. Ow. It's a juicy one.
Oh my gosh.
So sweet. Zoe hasn't tried sugar cane yet.
Doesn't look like I'm going to with this one.
Yeah.
You're gonna leave
Be
me
better if we
any?
had a machete so we can like.
Well, I don't think you're gonna leave me any.
No, you're supposed to chew on the bark.
Oh.
Really juicy bark.
Oh. It'll get in my retainer.
Yeah. Oh, that is a juicy freaking piece of tuba. Dang it. I'm all wet. Alright, let's go.
Oh, it's soft.
Really?
Oh. Like a steel wool, but
Look at the mama. She's massive. What are we doing?
we're asking to make the white carabao. I've
She's-
never seen one.
She's never seen a puti na carabao. She thought it was a baka. Just go say hi.
Ayo.
Huh?
Hello.
Amerikanong na carabao.
Carson. They say I'm baby carabao, but you're just Carson. Wow, white one. Oh,
You've lost your touch.
no, I haven't. Hello. Come here. Oh, yeah, you like the scoochies. You like the scoochies. I know that's my. Please don't eat it. Don't eat it. I don't want you to eat it.
Alright, so quick update. We finished the hike. We did not arrive to the waterfall,
Oh, we did see.
but we saw it. It was super sick. And now
tried.
we go to Dumaguete. I think it's gonna be 3 hours.
It's Thursday, my dudes.
Sige.
we're home. No, we're not. But we finished. It was like 3 hours of driving. Now we're here to get dinner.
Yes.
That's the, what is this called? Boulevard.
Kapoy na kami. Alright, so yeah, excited na kami mukhaon kay wala kami nagpanyoto.
No.
And Dumaguete has some freaking delicious food.
And it's so cheap. I know we've said it before.
Yeah, did we mention that?
I think so.
Very cheap. Believe the people when they say that it's cheap here in Dumaguete.
Yeah,
the
we
food.
didn't because we were like, the Philippines has cheap food everywhere. But no, it's more cheap here.
Yes. Alright, see, we're gonna go eat. So, salamat.
Tanaw.
Go!
Salamat sa pagtanaw. Og amping mo. Tanan. Bye.
I wanna shout